This is it, the all-new Audi Q3 Sportback. Progressive and emotional. Let's discover the design of the exterior.
What we have now in the market is a beautiful car. And our question was how we can make it better. One was to introduce this line, which breaks the volume.
And we have this one really nicely section that push the car and they bring it as a sporty actually there. And we bring it a cabin lower.
And then we have this UFO line now, which go all around the car and start from the rings. And this divides the volume in two parts. The up part is lighting and the bottom of the line is the shadow. And this stretch the car. The rocker is connecting with the front, this inclination, which gives this sculptural feeling, you know?
The main geometry for the front is the single frame.
We split the lamps in two pieces.
And we have a really strong design element.
The front is really upright and self-confident, like an SUV and like Audi need to be.
Power meets comfort. Efficient drivetrains and a new damping system ensure dynamic performance.